we'll start with the active filters to band reject filters. Okay, active filters to band reject filters here. First to take active filters. So what are the active elements here? What are the active elements? Have you gone through the active elements here? Transistor, diode, and op-amp. Okay, op-amp nothing but active elements here. So okay, from these elements we can design the filters. Filter means what here? We can remove the unwanted signals. Okay, what is the meaning of filters here? We can remove the unwanted or selected signals. We can remove here. Understood? So here they have taken active filters like an electric filters is a circuit that passes specified band of frequency and reject the unwanted band of frequency. Okay, so filters means it's a electronic filters because they're going to use the resistor, capacitor, and active elements. Okay, that's why I call it electronic filters, or you can call it the electric filters. So these electric filters means what here? We can pass the selected signals, we can reject the unwanted signals. Okay, next filters are classified as different form here, like analog or digital filters, passive or active filters, then audio frequency and radio frequency filters. Okay, so these are the three kind of filters. Okay, right on this one, analog or digital, passive or active. The third one is what here? Audio and radio. Okay, first you take analog here. Okay, so analog means what here? We are going to use the signals with respect to frequency. Okay, so we can use the filters with respect to frequency. Okay, that is the meaning of analog. Digital means what here? We can transmit the signals in terms of bits like 1 0 or 0 1. Okay, based on the time period. So here we can send the signals with respect to frequency or binary numbers. Okay, that is the meaning of analog or digital filters. Passive and active means what here? So if you design any circuit here using only passive element like resistor, capacitor, that is the passive filter. Suppose if you take an active filter means we can use any kind of transistor, resistor, capacitor also. Okay, without transistor that is passive, with transistor means that is active. And last filter here. Okay, in last filter what we can do here? Audio or radio frequency. Okay, audio or radio frequency. So audio frequency means what here? We can generate the voice signal. Okay, we can generate the voice signal in terms of kilohertz. Okay, we can generate the frequency in terms of kilohertz. Radio frequency antandre we can generate the frequency in terms of megahertz. Okay, we can generate the frequency in terms of megahertz. So here they have taken RC filters are commonly used for the audio and lower frequency operation, whereas LC crystal filters are employed at a radio frequency and higher frequency. So advantages of active filters over passive filters. Okay, next topic is what here? They have taken some advantages of active filters over the passive. First is what here? First advantage, this is very important here. In exam they can ask advantages for the 4 marks also they can ask here. So first one is we can achieve the gain here, then frequency adjustment is flexibility. Okay, this is the first advantage. In active filters, easily we can adjust the gain, means we can set the op-amp gain here. After that, it can vary the frequency adjustment based on your requirement. Okay, so active filters are easier to tune or adjust the signals, okay, or frequency. Next, what is second advantage here? No loading problem. Okay, loading means what? Output side. Okay, output side there is no problem here. Okay, suppose if you connect any sound system, or you can suppose if you connect any big speakers here. Okay, in this condition you don't get any problem for the active filters here. Understood? Why? Because here active filters having a higher input resistance, lower output resistance of the op-amp. Okay, so this active filter does not causes any loading effect of the source or load here. Understood? Impedance is very high here, input side, and impedance is very low at the output side. Okay, that is why we are not getting any loading problem here. Okay, we are not getting any loading problem. Then cost. Cost means what here? Money. So active filters are cheaper because the op-amps are very cheaper. Okay, absence of the inductor. Suppose if you use the inductor in passive elements here, the inductor cost is very high. So when you go for the active filters here, easily we can reduce the cost of the inductor here, because op-amps are very cheaper here. Understood? Compared to inductor. So these are the three benefits here. Okay. First one is what here? Gain, then frequency adjustment and flexibility, no loading problems, then cost. Okay, these are the advantages. Okay, advantages of the active filters over the passive filters. Next to take applications. Applications of the active filters means op-amp filters. So these applications of active filters mostly we can use mostly, and then most of the time we can use it for the field of communications. Okay, and signal processing. Okay, communication means what here? Example, you take DTS service, satellite service. Okay, in this condition we can use active filters, and even for the signal processing. Okay, voice communication also we can use it here. So these are the applications here. Second one, radio we can use it here, television, telephone, radar, space, satellite, biomedical equipments. Okay, so many are there in second point. Okay, if you use the op-amp based filters here, we can use it for the radio purpose, then television purpose, then telephone purpose, radar, space, satellites, and biomedical equipment. Understood? So these are the different applications of active filters. Then classification of filters. What are the different types of classification of filters here? Low pass filters, high pass filters, band pass filters, band reject filters, and all pass filters. Okay, this one the additional here. All pass means we have a combination of the band pass and there is band reject. Okay, that gives the all pass filter. That's true. We have to take combination band pass and band rejector. Okay, that gives the all pass filter. So actually there are 4 here. Okay, additionally is all pass filter. Low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter, and band reject filter. Okay. Yes, Trupti. Is it audible? Trupti. Trupti.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of low pass filter? What is the meaning of low pass filter? Arpita.
That pass signal with the low frequencies.
Okay. Karishma, yes.
Yes, sir.
What is high pass filter?
Which passes the higher frequencies.
Okay. Next. Sridevi. Sridevi H. She is not present in the class. Sunidhi.
Yes, sir.
What is band reject filter? Just now today also I explained, right? What is band reject filter? Starting only I discussed, right? Nandini SK.
Yes, sir.
What is band reject filter? Okay. ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದು 11 o'clock ಅಂದ್ರೆ 11 o'clock ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಆಗ್ತಿರ 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀರಾ ಎಸ್ ಭೂಮಿಕಾ
Yes.
What is band reject filter?
It passes the unselect signal.
What is my question here? Can you repeat the question?
Band rejects.
What is your answer? Kavya Jain.
Yes, sir.
What is band reject filter? ನಿಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ರೀ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ it will reject the selected signals, that's it. It will reject the signals. Band pass and it will passes the selected signals. Yes or no? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನೋ ಓದ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಟೈಟ್ಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಟೈಟ್ಲ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ okay can reject the selected signals okay not all signals here band andre it's a selected means or you can call it the limited signals we are going to reject the selected signals band pass andre we can pass the selected signals high pass means we can pass the higher signals low pass means we can pass us the lower signals all pass means it's a combination of the band pass filter and band reject filters understood
Yes, sir.
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋದು if you taken any topic here any subject okay read the title first okay what they given here okay content okay itself indicates the answer question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು 100% ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ 10% ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 90% easily we can write your own answers understood write your own answers okay but you should know the meaning here ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಒಬ್ರು ಯಾರು ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋ ಒಂದೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕೇಳಿದ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಓದಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ so next class we'll go with the one by one here okay in exam these are the basics here what we discussed the low pass high pass these are the basics next we'll start with the derivation that is very important here okay if you know the basics here then easily you can understand the derivations and all Understood? For the next class, we start with the derivations for the low pass, high pass, diagrams, okay, equations, everything. So I'll stop the class now. We can leave the meeting. So any doubts are there, we can ask me now. Still have 5 minutes. Any doubts are there? Or you can leave the meeting.